Hey folks, Mark.Nored, Guaranty RV here in Junction City. Today we're going to tour a Newmar Baystar 3113. It's in the gray, the black edition. It's a great floor plan. Come on inside, let's take a look at this fully loaded rig. When we come inside, it's really a nice rig. We've got the 2-slide unit living area. This gives us a lot of space, whether it's a short-term stay or long-term. You're doing a lot of travel. It's got the button-up sofas with the button accents. This is beautiful brown wood, kind of like a walnut finish look. We got the solid surface countertops. And again, a real nice dinette area with table and chairs, kind of a buffet area. And what I really like about this is we've got the TV located here in the middle of the coach. Very relaxing, kicking back on your time off, folks. Again, we got a beautiful cabinetry here. Lovely kitchen, lots of features. Very residential microwave, convection oven. Nice finish for refrigerator. And folks, come on back. We've got the king size bed, which makes this really special. Nice 3113 edition on the Baystars. Nice headboard, custom interior. Got your windows for your ventilations, your TV, your double closet. It's a great coach, folks. Come on back, we'll show you. It's got a really nice bathroom with oversized shower. Nice cabinetry in there. Solid surf countertops. Just a real comfortable coach. Perfect for long-term, short-term stays, as well as all your national parks, maybe some of your state parks along the river, what have you. Folks, this coach has also a nice little bonus here. If you got grandkids or friends staying with you, Newmar has a great little setup here for a bonus bunk. Just pull this thing down right here, and now we got room for someone to stay a day or two. Want to be comfortable but not too comfortable where they stay a long time. But again, family, friends, maybe some grandkids, come on outside. This thing has some great entertainment systems in it, all your side cameras and safety features, folks. It's got the 22-inch wheels and tires. It is a little heavier chassis, so it's going to drive real nice for you, folks. This is Mark.Nored, Junction City, Guaranty RV. Come out and give us a buzz, see if we can't help you with a brand new Newmar. Thank you and make it a great day.